Hello everyone, this is Take. Today I'd like to introduce a well-known Kyoto dish called Tofu Dengaku. Dengaku is made by skewering tofu, coating it with miso and then grilled it until fragrant. The name Dengaku is said to come from its resemblance to the dengaku dance performed by entertainers called dengaku-hoshi. Here, you can see a folding screen from the Muromachi period depicting rice planting. Men are plowing the fields and carrying seedlings, while women are planting rice. Rice planting was hard work, so in the past people kept their spirits up by working to the rhythm of music, just as shown in this painting. Performance in the rice field to this music in what was called dengaku mai or dengaku odori. These dancers in the folding screen, known as dengaku-hoshi, wear a white hakama with brown jackets. Sometimes they performed in lively step called kosoku or high leg as illustrated here. It is said that the sight of this performance reminded people of skewered tofu topping with miso, and so the dish came to be called dengaku. Now let's try making it. First, place the tofu on kitchen paper, wrap it with paper towels, set a weight on top, and let it rest to remove excess moisture. This will help the tofu stay firm. Meanwhile, soak the skewers in water. This prevents them from burning during grilling. Next, let's prepare the dengaku miso. You will need 1 tablespoon of sake, mirin, and sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of miso. Heat everything together in a small pot for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens. Now, cut the tofu into slices about 2 cm thick. Any thinner or they may break. Skewer the tofu. Grill over high heat for about 15 to 18 minutes. To protect the bamboo skewers, I wrapped 2 skewers in water-soaked paper and then covered them with aluminum foil as an experiment. When the tofu begins to brown, spread on the miso paste on one side. Continuing grilling until the miso becomes fragrant and slightly caramelized using the burner. And with that, tofu dengaku is ready. This dish is considered an early form of oden dish. I've introduced anime-style oden in a previous video, so I'll leave the link in the description if you like to take a look. Tofu dengaku is simple, full of history, and very much taste of Kyoto. I hope you'll try making it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Wow! Experiment. I thought I had a brilliant idea. If I wrapped the skewers in wet paper and then covered them with aluminum foil, they should be perfectly safe from burning. Result. Well, it worked, sort of. The skewers didn't burn, but the paper dried out and stuck firmly to the bamboo and the tofu. Oh no! Not my proudest moment in cooking. Yes, so, lesson learned. Just soak the skewers in water is simple and works much better.